What's up, tubers? How's everybody doing today? Do not forget to hit the like button. Apparently I'm on a little lag here, so can you guys see me all right? Can you see the charts? What's up, Leon, Pritpale, Mike, Saturns, David, Cawhead? What's up, dude? David Woodall. What's happening, guys? I just kind of got on to say what's up and take a look at what's going on, and I do think we're going down to this 78.52 area, and I am looking for a bounce there. If you look at the RSI, looks like we're going to come down and have one more touch on this channel here. That's what I'm looking at now. If that doesn't hold, obviously we'll be looking at the 7,700, but I honestly don't think that if we hit 77 again, it's going to hold. So I'm definitely looking at this 78.52 range. So anyways, I had asked you guys today on what's up, Keys? How you doing, man? I asked you guys today on this morning's update video if you would like to see, you know, another coin. People seem to think like I was going to get rid of LITECOIN or Bitcoin. That's not what I was going to do at all. I was going to just keep Bitcoin and do LITECOIN a couple times a week and then switch it up with something else. And it seems like most people want to see Ethereum. Yeah, Shazam. I will not do XRP only because that chart is absolutely horrible. So my apologies to the XRP fans. I don't have anything against making money on any crypto. Most of you guys know how I feel about lower cap coins and stuff. But if you can make money in them, you know, do it. I'm going to start looking into really low cap coins and probably start getting into them. Mike Kinney, ETH charting would be appreciated. Thanks for the tip, man. Yeah, I think I'm going to start adding Ethereum. But what I'm going to do, so I have, before I do bring it on the channel, I'm going to wait till I get 11,000 subs, and then I'll start adding Ethereum. It'll probably start out, I'll keep Litecoin. I'll do Bitcoin, then Litecoin, and I'm going to try to make them real quick and short and kind of just point out my targets and how I got there instead of going into a whole lot of depth. And then thinking maybe on either Saturday or Sunday, do a coin of, you know, somebody's choice. You know, a lot of people are asking for Link. I know Binance, that's another one a lot of people ask for. But that's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking throughout the week, maybe throughout the week, you can pick something, and maybe Saturday I will. My phone keeps going off. Sorry, guys. Yeah, so I'm thinking maybe let everyone pick throughout the week, and then you know, Saturday I'll pick one, and then Sunday I'll, you know, do a random one like Link, Energy, you know, whatever. But so if you guys are watching my daily updates, start putting in the comments. Like I said, after 11,000 subs, I'm going to add Ethereum to the Bitcoin and Litecoin deal. So what's up, Timmy J? So anyways, that's what I'm looking at. So yeah. Anyways, I want to take a look at what's going on here. If you guys watched my video this morning, it's kind of weird. It's hanging around this 79.84, and that was one of my targets. I'm going to go ahead and get that off there now. Still looking at this 78.52, and I'm actually not financial advice, but I'm getting in a long there. I think I got my long set at 78.55 and a tight stop loss. I think I put my stop loss at 78.30. So we will see how that goes. You know, I actually should put my stop loss below the 77, but I honestly think if we hit 77, well, we're gonna break it. So that's where I'm going long, the 78.55. I want to remind you guys, anybody new in here, definitely check out the Discord. It's totally free. Awesome group of people. There's a link to it in the description below the video. What's up, Reg? Check it out. If you want somewhere to hang out, learn a little bit about crypto, learn a little bit about trading, and just hang out. It's an awesome spot. Also, if you guys are trading or want to get into trading, which I advise, don't do high leverage, especially if you're just beginning. I actually advise that you start a fake account first, and they do have that on Bybit. I do have a link to Bybit and a link to Prime XBT in the bottom. Both of them you get bonuses for signing up. Bybit, you sign up and they give you, I think, a $60 to $210 bonus if you deposit 0.2 Bitcoin or more. And Prime XBT gives you a 20% bonus on whatever you put in there. Just be careful, guys. If you are going to trade, do not do high leverage trading if you don't know what you're doing. What's up, Danielle, or first time live stream? All right. What's up, Camille? But anyways, that sound all right, guys? So if you guys would, I'd appreciate it if you helped me out in the mornings. Share my video if you belong to any other groups, or, you know, anything, any kind of crypto group or whatever. Just share my videos, get it out there. Let's get to 11,000 subscribers, and I will add Ethereum in. And then, like I said, we'll start doing a random pick on Sunday. I think Sunday would be a good day to do that. What's up, Andre? Paul? Can you advertise my CTO coin sometime? Looks like we're going to be filling bags of cheap Litecoin again. Yeah, I'm still looking at that $49 area for Litecoin. And the bottom of that wedge is going to be around that 45.50 range. If that breaks, if you guys have been watching, let me go into the 4-hour real quick. So yeah, in the 4-hour, the worst case scenario is this being a bear flag and the measured move being down to $34. But that would break the bottom of this wedge, and honestly, I don't think that's going to happen. I still see us breaking up out of this wedge. I know everybody's getting super bearish, which that's great. I mean, get bearish, get scared, give them your damn Bitcoin and Litecoin. Whatever. I'm not even worried yet. Like I said, unless 77 breaks, you know, then I'll start to take a different look at the market, I guess. Ken, hey Savy, how was the recent meetup? Sorry I missed it. It was awesome, man. Got to meet a lot of good people in there. It was a good time. Definitely. I will be going to more meetups for sure. Steve Hubbs says altcoins will probably not take off until Bitcoin gets to a new all-time high. Or if Bitcoin stays stagnant for too long, people get bored. You'll see some pumps in the alts. Can you see it going up before the 31st of October or after? Because I have a huge trade I'm waiting for. I don't give financial advice, man, but honestly, I mean, in all reality, it could go up from here. We may come up and test this 8,000 or 8,050 area. I think it'll most likely get rejected. I really think we have to come down to the 78.52 range. The other way to look at this would be a ABC correction here, which is kind of strange for this being a wave one, but I mean, it's possible. Let me put the fibs on it real quick, and we'll look to the 1-to-1 extension, which would be that would get us actually to the 78.76. So that is possible. I'm gonna put a target there too, just because that's where. No, I'm not. I'm gonna leave my target right where it is. Andre said Litecoin follows Bitcoin. Litecoin led Bitcoin the beginning of this year. Saturn's Wolf said just more time to buy cheap. Right on, man. Don't forget to hit the likes, guys. Take a second out. If you're on the mobile, exit the chat, hit the like button, and jump back in. Steve Hubbs. Charlie Lee said he was going to keep developing Litecoin until it reaches a new all-time high. I think he'll keep his word. I do too, man. And so many people give Charlie Lee shit. He was just being honest. He told everybody, what's up, Boston? You know, I have the utmost respect for Charlie Lee. People give him shit saying, you know, because he sold Litecoin is blah, blah, blah. The dude is smart. He's a good trader. He sold. He told you he sold. And he told you where it was going. And people still want to bitch about it. The dude's an awesome guy, man. He's a straight up honest guy. He's one of the better guys in the space. No doubt about it. Anthony does not like XRP. What's up, Alan? Thanks, Cawhead. Appreciate hitting the likes. If he's saying he only working into a new all-time high. Look, guys, he wanted to get his face away from Litecoin. Just like Bitcoin has nobody to, you know, nobody to look up to for Bitcoin. Satoshi, he is anonymous. He, them, they, she, whatever. You know, Charlie just don't want to have the coin depend on him, and I get that. That's why most of these other coins won't make it. They have a company running them or people in charge of them. That's not how it works, man. It is not going to work. It's not decentralized that way. He wanted it to run on his own. Exactly, D-Man. Thanks, Camille. Appreciate the thumbs up. Anyways, I'm going to go on that little rant again. You guys, anyone that doesn't do YouTube and thinks it's just a quick, you know, video that you see, there's a lot more to it, a lot more that goes into it, guys. So any YouTuber you're watching, if you enjoy their content, leave a comment for them. Anything, even, you know, I don't know, anything. Just leave a comment for them. Smash the likes. I see a lot of people watching these videos. You know, some guys are getting 20, 30,000 views and they get like 200 comments. I mean, hook some people up. Charlie did say, don't get into any other alts until you own at least one Bitcoin. Crazy Greek Freak. Thanks, Savvy, for your time. Thanks for your time, man. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it. And those of you guys that are used to the live streams, you know, I basically just like to sit and bullshit, not do a whole lot of charting in the live streams. Basically, I just do this to connect with the community, talk to you guys, and just bullshit a little bit. Thanks, Joel. I appreciate that. Thanks, Cletus. Man, I appreciate it. Much love for you guys, man. Thanks, John. And I'm not talking about just commenting in here. I'm talking about commenting on videos for people, you know, just people take a lot of time out to do these videos, man. Show them some appreciation, give them some likes, some comments, share their videos if you like them. Any thoughts on BitGo? I don't know nothing about BitGo, to be totally honest with you. I have no idea. I don't get into a whole lot of stuff. I'm starting to look into a little more. After hanging out with Crypto Zombie, I'm starting to look at some small cap coins and all kinds of stuff. I will If anyone that's interested, if I start getting into stuff or looking into something a little deeper, I'll let you guys know. It won't be financial advice. It'll just be me letting you know what I'm looking at. Andre said, I'm a buyer right now waiting for 7.7 Savy or less. I think, I'm looking, I just went over that. I'm looking for the 78.50 area. I think if we hit 77, I honestly don't think 77 is going to hold. It may, but I don't know. We'll see. If 77 does break, guys, I know people are calling for 75, 72. I think it's 63 at least if that breaks, in my honest opinion. But in reality, I don't think it's going to break. And I think those of you that watch my videos know I really think this 55 EMA is going to hold right here on the weekly. November and December is going to blow us away. I think so too, man. In a good way. What's your not advice on mining? I know nothing about mining, man, at all. There is a mining chat. I think some people in our group, our Discord group, mine. So if you want to join that and ask around, there's some people with a lot of knowledge in there. Shannon O, glad you're with me on the 7800. So many already long. Things that make me go, Who's all trading in here, and who wants to get into trading, and who is just strictly holding out of curiosity? Crypto Crazy said it costs too much to mine, buy and hold. Steve, I know you're a hodler, man. I'm mostly a hodler. I mean, I trade, but just I just have a decent little trading account that I trade with. Mike Kinney said, I'm in U.S. state where trading is prohibited. I don't know. A lot of people use what the hell is it called? A VPN. 5 to 10 years will make us all forget about those whales playing with our money. Fact. Right? People seem to forget what Bitcoin has done in the past 10 years, man. And I don't know how people get so fearful. If we went under 3,100, I might get fearful. The Timmy J, I mostly trade to grow my hold. That's the same thing I do. Satoshi Nakafomo, what's up? How you treat others comes back to you. That's true. Prime XBT and Liquid okay in the US, said Saturn's Worth. There's a Prime XBT link in the description below. You don't have to use mine, but it really helps the channel out if you do. Same with the Prime XBT link, the KRAKEN link down there. Does anybody in here use Brave browser? Just out of curiosity. I have a link to that down there too, but I really like that browser for my charts. I can open up a bunch of charts and I get no lag even while I'm streaming. I'm trading a coin with a market cap of less than 1 million. It's been fun. Whatever looks like a good trade. Yeah, you just don't want to put too much money in that. If it's only got less than 1 million market cap, you can get stuck with the coins, man. Nobody will buy them. Altcoin Bonanza don't have Brave browser. Check it out, man. It's a great browser. You don't have to watch the commercials or ads when you're watching stuff. It's pretty badass. It's quick too. I think it's really fast, actually. And you can use Brave browser if you want to turn the ads on. You can actually earn BAT tokens, and you know you can like your favorite YouTubers and stuff. You can tip them. You can even tip BAT on Twitter, I believe now. but they'll actually pay you to watch the ads. You can actually turn your ads on. It's pretty cool. Has anybody checked out has anybody done any of the unstoppable domains? Joel, thanks for the tip, brother. Appreciate it. Screw ads, dude. I get paid blocking ads with BitTube. I never heard of BitTube. You have dozens of unstoppable domains. You know they got a new it's .crypto now. There's a link to it in the description below my video too. They have they put a bunch of new shit. Also a good sized position in Baidu. I have one also. A whole bunch of UD. What the hell is UD? The whales are open their mouth. Hodl. Bitcoin's on sale now. It's actually holding here pretty well, sticking around here, but yeah, like I said, I still believe that we are gonna hit down this 7,800, 7,850 range. Crypto Savvy, keep up the good work. Thanks, Philip. I really do appreciate that, man. I get sick of all the haters. Jay Constant said, am I banned for not liking LITECOIN? Serious? I don't know what you're talking about. You should check out BitGo. It's custody service and insured wallets. Bullish news for retailers who don't want to manage hard wallets. I might check that out. I'm going to try to find time to get into more stuff. I just don't have a whole lot of time. What's up, WebAge? 7,500 would be great, said Camille. I don't think so, man. I think if it goes below 77, it's not gonna, you know, 77 is not gonna be support for that long. And then when it breaks, only drop down 200 bucks. That is not how Bitcoin works. It's gonna be a big drop if we drop past 7,700. Do your own research is key. Yes. What are your predictions on Litecoin? I just went over Litecoin. I mean, it's in limbo. I'm still looking for that 49 in Litecoin. Yeah, I'm still looking for the 49. We can get the 53 out of there now. Savvy, do you believe that in 2021 BTC could equal 100K? I do believe that. I definitely believe that. I think we could definitely see six figures, possibly in 2020. Yes, Andre, I do. But yeah, I think we could probably hit 100K maybe in 2020, to be honest with you. Steve Hubbs said Litecoin is as cheap as it was 2 years ago. Unbelievable buy opportunity. Saturn's Wolf said 300K. I still think this is the cycle right here. I know a lot of people disagree with that, but I really believe that's the cycle. The only thing I don't like about over here is it did drop below the 55 EMA on the weekly a few times. Just wicks though. I'm counting on it holding here. Crypto Savvy, do you think one Bitcoin is life-changing in 10 years? I definitely think it's possible. I mean, obviously, there's no guarantees. But yeah, I think it's pretty possible. I think this year, I've said it before and I'll say it again. I do think this year It's probably the last year that the average Joe is going to be able to buy one whole Bitcoin. Did you and K-Dub discuss ByDAO at all? Yeah, we talked about it actually this weekend a little bit. How about one Litecoin? In what? One Litecoin be life-changing? I don't know about life-changing. What's up, Gustavo? Steve Hubb said, I think this cycle will more mimic the last cycle as far as overall returns. That 2012-13 cycle returns is unreachable now based on logarithmic recession pattern it's in. We'll see. Problem is 300K ain't going to be the same value as now. Right. Gustavo Caro said 1K. $1,000 Litecoin. I see that for sure. I mean, I can't say for sure, but I'm pretty damn positive we'll see $1,000 Litecoin. What's happening, Brian Cross? $10 Bitcoin, you'll be real good. Yeah, I would go with that. 210 people watching, only 21 likes. Come on, guys, hit the damn like button. What's up? Jeez, ungrateful people. Nah, I'm just playing. Has anybody bought anything in here? Anybody been to my wife's webpage at all? Whales exchanges, now a lot of stop losses set at 7,700. Will that encourage a stop hunt? It's possible. That's definitely possible. It looks like it might try to run up to that around the 8,050 range, or at least retest 8,000 here. Do you think now is the time to buy Litecoin? $52. It all depends on what you're doing. If you're holding, if you're trading, it all depends on what you're doing, what your financials are like, what your goals are. No, I can't tell anybody when to buy or sell. I mean, it all depends on you. I like the merch, but $22 is too much for a shirt, in my opinion. But it's not cheap shirts. I mean, if you've seen them, you'd understand. They're not. It's not junk. This isn't like vinyl or what the hell they call it with the paint shit. It's actual real stuff. It's not junk. It does never come off. It won't scratch off. You can wash it 1 billion times. Jeff double liked the video. How the hell did you do that? I'm drinking water, John. Drinking water. Litecoin is supposed to be used for trade. I was here when Litecoin almost hit $400. It was awesome. Yeah, that was crazy. It was fast too. That bull run was fast. The whole bull run. It was awesome. What's the cost of shipping to the Netherlands? I have no idea, man. People from all over in here, man. Stephen Hubb, 61.8 fib retracement of the 3128 to the 13868 looks possible, especially if 7700 fails. Where's that at, Steve? Look at it. Get it in here. I think that is that 7,200. I just don't think that would hold. I don't think anything. If it breaks below 77, it's going a lot further than that. But the 6.618's at 7245 area. I mean, I guess that's possible, but I think if 77 breaks, I think we're going to that 63 area. Honestly. Ken Carter, Savy, opener brewery soon. I'll reach out for a quote on merch. Keep it up, fam. Where at, Ken? Where are you from? Where's the brewery gonna be? Masked Ninja from Michigan. What's up, man? I'm from Michigan too. Doug Doherty, are you still leverage trading on Kraken? No, I switched. Crypto Savvy, how do you learn how to chart? Stare at it, watch a lot of videos, read up on Elliott Wave, Wyckoff method, and just stare at the charts and learn them, man. I spent years staring at the charts. Miami, Ken Carter, Kent, Ohio. All right, man. Forget the haters, Savvy. You are a genuine dude, and you probably have more knowledge than the haters. Thank you for that, Andre. One more wave down on the Elliott Wave for Bitcoin. We shall see. Doug, I switched from Kraken because they never had any margin. The margin was always gone every time I tried to get in a trade. Andy Breen, hi Savvy, I'm learning a lot from you, so thanks for all the free knowledge. When you trade, do you exchange for US dollar or do you trade for stablecoin? I do to the US dollar. I don't really trust stablecoins. I mean, that's just me though. That's just my opinion. And Coinbase gives out your info, I heard. Yeah, I think if you, I don't know if you transfer 20,000 or more, or if you have 20,000 in, you know, transactions. But yeah, they do report you. Andre said the most YouTubers are really bearish and Savvy, pure bull. Same at 3,200 when I was calling the bottom down there. Everybody was bearish as hell. Everybody was just ripping on me for being bullish. And look what happened. Crookbase. Yeah, I guess they raised their fees pretty high. People are bitching about that, man. Did they raise the Coinbase Pro fees too? Because I don't use that either. Good luck, Ken. My nephew opened up a new brewery on Tap Room in Wisconsin. Sweet. We got 2 brewers in here. Hiker 1977. Thanks for the tip, man. Don't hate, hodl. Great live stream. Thanks, man. Brandon, more important question is Litecoin at the end of 2021. Saturn's Wolf. Oh, I got stories, but bad news. CB is. Coinbase is. Oh, Coin Bonanza. Crypto Savvy, you're a true crypto patriot. Thanks, man. I think. Synergy Tech Northwaterbrewing.com. It's bare, but just went up. Thanks. Check it out, guys. If you're looking, if you want to check out his brewery. 9K is the new 6K. This looks very bullish for Bitcoin, but I fear alts will be outrun by Bitcoin soon. Late to the live, but evening, sir. Better late than never, John. Like I said, I don't know if you guys are new here. My live streams, I just like to chat with you guys, talk bullshit and whatnot. But every morning I do updates on Litecoin and Bitcoin. And I'm going to start adding Ethereum once I get to 11,000 subs. There we go, guys. It's trying to make it up. It tested the 8,000. Like I said, we may come up and try to test the 8,060 range. But anyways, so yeah, Don't be disappointed if you came in here to look for charting. I'm not, you know, it's a live stream. I'm just doing this to hang out. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And tick the notification bell to get you notified when I post videos every single morning. Take it easy, Timmy J. But yeah, what's going on, lady plants? Crypto keys, take my fiat, try to spend it before it's useless. Thanks, brother. I appreciate that, man. Where's the twerking? How's come you aren't ever in the Discord anymore, lady? What's up with that? Hard to be bullish like you as long as we can't break above the 200 daily EMA. It has been tested several times. But Savvy, I'm trying. I'm bullish unless we break that 55 EMA on the weekly. Then I get bearish. You just missed the twerking, lady plants. All the twerkers left. What the hell was that? Just wait till the banks crash. Litecoin will do a moonshot. Michael Ruiz. Hey, Savvy, have a question. If worst comes to worst, what's Litecoin's low by year's end? I would say that $34 if worst come to worst. But I hate to say I doubt it, but I doubt it. Just keep buying the cheap. Saturn's Wolf said $22. Philip Byrne, only new to crypto and looking forward to watching the price rise instead of recent weeks. Just be patient, man. Yeah, like I said, I think we're going to go down. We may go down a little bit further than that 78.50. Let's see. We could go down to the 77.60 range. Ken Carter, thanks, man. I appreciate it. Yeah, anytime, as long as you're not shilling the YouTube channel. I don't care if you want to talk about your product in here. That's all right with me, man. Much appreciated, brother. 3.3K is the real price of Bitcoin at the moment. Interesting. Lady Plants said 77.60. Okay, I'm gonna move my. Hey, that's not financial advice. I'm just saying. My lady, I told him, and this isn't financial advice. Do not follow my trades, but I have a long in at 78.55 with a stop loss at 78.30. I'll probably move my stop loss down a little bit though. Do you have any thoughts on bots? No, I don't. I don't know anything about them. I mean, I know what they do or whatever, but nah. Not something I would mess with personally. What's up, CYN? Get wicked out. They were wicking the shit out of people up here yesterday, or the last couple days, actually. You go into the 1 hour. That crap was crazy, man. Look at all them wicks. It's just eating over leveraged people up. So on the 1 hour, we are getting resistance on the 13 EMA. How's that looking though? It's actually not showing any divergence or anything right now. Not bad. Yeah, these wicks is why I'm not placing much of stop losses. According to the German bank, we're going to see 90,000 by May 2020. Crypto Savvy's call for 46 end of the year sounds good to me. I still think it's possible. I know a lot of people don't, Whenever price goes down, people just can't imagine it. But like I said, look back at 2017, and I know people say you can't expect it to be like 2017. Well, you can't expect it to be like 2012. You can't expect it to be like 2015. I expect it to be like 2017. I really do, unless 7,700 breaks. Oh, let's see here. Saturn's Wolf, but I do believe the 7-7 holds. Yeah, me too, man. Stephen Hubbs, very long-term bull market. Yeah, I think it's going to be like another 3-year bull market, 3 years after this year. That's what I have right here. Oops. What I have right there to end in 2021. Actually, I don't know how this got all screwed up. Whoa, what the hell? Crazy. I need a new tractor. Ugh, come on, Bitcoin. Savvy, take a look at November 2nd, 2015 to March 2016 daily chart and see where we are now. I don't believe we're at the 2015 to 16. I know so many people do. I do not believe that. I believe we are in 2, and it's going to act just like this over here. That is what I believe. Let me go over here real quick. The weekly. I think this is a big version of this. My thoughts, not yours. We'll see. We could go 300% by December. Yes, we could. I understand this is a 4-year cycle, Steve, but there's the 4-year cycle. I believe this was the first cycle. This was 2011 to 2013. Actually, that was only 2 years, but I believe this cycle will repeat this one over here. We shall see. Michael Roots, if your 46K prediction comes true, where is the money going to come from for all that massive pump? Where did the money come from in 2017? That's the great thing about the bull market. You have no idea when it's going to come. Nobody in their right fucking mind expected Bitcoin to hit 20 grand in 2017. Everybody that was calling anything high was getting called crazy. It would never happen, and it happened. Savvy, give a free t-shirt to a random fan here. I'll probably do another couple t-shirt giveaways once I hit 11,000 subs. Money's coming from everywhere, Altcoin Bonanza said. Yeah, everybody has their own view, man. I just think it's funny that everybody thinks their view's right, and they claim because it done it before that but it can't be like 2017. Makes no sense, man. Philip Byrne, how did you get into Bitcoins? Did someone recommend it to you? Yeah, I used to play in penny stocks. Penny stocks were dead, and I started talking to some people in some chats I belonged to, and everybody was switching over to crypto. And that's how I got into it. I actually heard about Bitcoin back in 2009, and me and a friend were trying to figure out how to buy it, and we couldn't figure out how to buy it because we were looking on E-Trade and shit. And then pretty much just gave up and forgot about it. I make bold predictions every day. I've made my prediction has never changed. Never changed. And when everybody was crying and whining that it was going to go to 1,500 or 1,000, I went totally against it. And I walked us up to every target to the 13.8. Although I said 13.6. I was off by 200 bucks. Fun. Yes, I am. Chrysadin. Yeah, that's shit I'm talking about. Everybody knows everything. So if somebody doesn't agree with somebody, they're wrong. It's whatever, man. I'm good with it. Why are they unsustainable returns? Steve, how much of the world's money is in Bitcoin? Shit, none. When it comes into Bitcoin, yeah. And you know what's going to make that happen? The financial fucking crisis that's about to happen. It's going to shit. The country's going to shit. People are going to run to Bitcoin. That's how the fuck it's going to happen. Period. Steve, let's bet a Bitcoin, buddy. Bet a Bitcoin that we'll see a new all-time high this year. Put your money where your mouth is. This is live. If you're so fucking sure, put a Bitcoin on it. That's live. Water, BitSource. You know I don't drink, man. Chrysadin, Bitcoin will never see an all-time high before the halving next year. That's what everybody always thinks, that it's going to be because of halvings. There's only been 3 fucking halvings, man. Or this will be 3 fucking halvings. They act like it's happened 47 million times. Shit's changing. Bitcoin, baby. Invest and sell high, says Mr. T. Borked. Bitcoin can do anything it wants. Doesn't have to wait for halving next year. That's right, man. Besides Litecoin, what altcoin do you think gets undeserved hate? I don't know. I don't follow a whole lot of altcoins like deeply. I mean, I know of them, but I don't follow them like that. So all right, bet, Steve. But that only counts if we don't go below 70, or yeah, if we don't go below 7,700, because I've been saying, looking at the death, what is it? The death cross coming and whatnot. Yep. What's up, BitSource? How's it going, man? Disappointed in Litecoin. You thought it would hit 200. Lady plants. So what altcoins are we going to cover outside of Bitcoin and Litecoin? When we hit 11,000 subs, I'm going to add Ethereum, and then we're going to do every Sunday throughout the week. You can comment which coin you want to see. Saturday, I'll pick a coin. Sunday, I will chart it. But we'll start adding Ethereum. I might just switch every other day, Ethereum, Litecoin, depending on how long the video is and if there's much action at all. So that is the plan so far. Still bullish on Litecoin. Yeah, I just went over Litecoin. I'm looking for Litecoin to hit the $49 range. See how it reacts there. I'm expecting a good bounce there. If not, maybe looking at the 45. Worst case scenario is the 34. Irish, my day was all right, man. Lady Plants and Tone. She's a secret Tone admirer. That's Savvy. Honestly, do you think Litecoin will last? Yes, I do think Litecoin will last. You too, Ed. What's happening, man? It was good to meet you, brother. I'll give you a shout when I get out to Indiana, too. Feathercoin was taken out of Litecoin. Any thoughts? I feel like COINBASE is a negotiator for lower prices for institutions when he does TA. It's definitely possible, man. I called some wild shit about it. I made a video about it. I think I took the video down. I took it off the beginning of the page about the hyperwave was bullshit thing, thinking that was a scam to get people to hold off, while the people that were talking about the hyperwave were selling courses and collecting Bitcoin, not cash. But if it was going to 1,000, why wouldn't have they wanted cash to buy more Bitcoin when it was cheap? COINBASE told Craig Wright today to get off the stage that he was not Satoshi and upset Bitcoin. Nice. That's bullshit, Steve, because I said if we don't, I said we will see new all-time highs this year if we don't go below 7,700. That has been my call. It has been my call. I am saying that. You know my call. My call was if we stay above, if 7,700 holds, we will see new all-time highs this year. If I cut my hair into a mohawk, people will think I'm a libertarian. Oh, people. Yeah, I did see. I seen COINBASE was wearing a shirt that said, "Oh shit!" I think it said we're all Satoshi except for Craig Wright. He's a fraud or something. That's pretty good, and he was wearing it sitting right next to him. Yeah, I haven't watched none of that. I need to check that out. WebAge, I had fun doing some YOLO scalp. Nice. Well, me too. So far, Bitcoin bounced off the bottom trend line of my rising channel. That 55 EMA right here needs to hold. Just sucks. The only thing I don't like about the weekly here is the EMA's crossing. The 8 is crossing the 21 now. It already crossed the 13. 13 is headed next. I think we're going to get a shot up here, though. We will see. I really think we should get a bounce. But I don't think it's yet. I think it's around the 78.50 area. Conference coming up when we hit 46K. Right on, brother. Come on, Savvy, give us a head reveal. What the hell is that? Twelve 12,000 Bitcoin millionaires now. Will you be one? I gotta shave, man. I haven't shaved my head in a while. It's all funky right now. How many Bitcoin to retire in 5 years? I would say 5 or 10. You could probably retire in 5 years. But later on, Tone and Craig went out for drinks and lines of coke. I called BS on his rant. When the bull will rise. What is my ideal daily close? Let's take a look. Ideally would be above this trend line, actually. About 8,100 would be ideal. Obviously, that's most likely not going to happen. I think we're coming down here. I still believe that I'm looking for a bounce right there at the 78.50. That could be, like Steve said, the 0.618, whatever that was, 70. I forget what the hell it was. But I am looking for a bounce off this trend line here on the bottom. This one's pretty much invalidated now. I can get that out of here. This up. See what happens. 10 Bitcoin for serious wealth damage. Litecoin is great on his own. May need privacy. Privacy coins may be banned from good exchanges. Yeah, I don't know about the whole privacy thing, if that's a good idea, man. There is a way to make Litecoin transparent on exchanges and private when on peer-to-peer. Thoughts on Bitcoin Cash and their adoption in Asia? I don't even want to talk about Bitcoin Cash, brother. What's up, Drew? Thanks for tuning in, man. Irish Derek, I'm afraid the public will always be stupid and just be sheep and go for their own national governed cryptos when they come. Yeah, I hear about the big adoption in Asia and stuff, but honestly, I think anybody that knows about Bitcoin knows, you know, the real Bitcoin. Bitcoin Cash may be kind of like Litecoin is supposed to be, just used for daily spending, but I don't see Bitcoin Cash really being Bitcoin. I think anything that competes with Bitcoin is gonna lose, man. That's my honest opinion. I don't think that, like Litecoin, I think it complements Bitcoin. That's why I believe in Litecoin so much. I think anything competing with Bitcoin is gonna, I mean, I don't see it succeeding. Where's your boo? J. McAfee? How the hell do you say his name? Is it McAfee or McAfee? I hear it pronounced 50 different ways. Roger Ver owns 50,000 Bitcoin. If he sold his B-Trash for Bitcoin, he would see huge highs, maybe 100K. Yeah, it was a perfect. Everybody that created them coins like that and mined a bunch first, got their own before they released it. I mean, think about it, man. I haven't seen John come out and say anything lately. Made a trade on Chainlink this morning. In 220, out 231. Nice. October 28th, something big will happen that day. What makes you think that? Sorry, guys. Hold on a minute. I commissioned a McAfee Dex portal to be built. Half the proceeds will go to the Litecoin Foundation. All right, guys. What time is it? 7:19. All right, I am going to get off here. It has been an hour. I appreciate everyone stopping by. Don't forget to check out the affiliate links below the video. Use them if you can. It really helps out. There's some exchange links. You can get some bonus. If you make a deposit, they'll give you a bonus, so you'll have a little bit extra to trade with. Also, check out my wife's webpage, inkyorimage.com. She has tons of crypto stuff on there. She can put anything you want on. Doesn't have to be crypto, but yeah, check it out, guys. The link to that is below the video in the description. Thanks a lot for stopping by, guys. I love you all. Have an awesome night, and I will see you in tomorrow's update video. Take it easy, guys.